All right, first of all, there's good news in Lorain County. Overdose deaths are down. The health department is hoping it stays that way. Aria Janelle is live in Elyria. Aria, how exactly do they plan on doing this?
The health department has its staff and volunteers coming to places like here in Elyria and also over to Lorain, handing out Narcan and Naloxone kits. They say you should have this in your house just the way you have Band-Aids in your first aid kit. But here's the interesting part. They're not just going to random neighborhoods. They're following the data. They're going to places where they've seen the most overdoses.
We picked this was picked because there were a few, like, sort of scattered.
So let's go down that way.
Yeah.
Juan Schwartzman has been working for the Lorain Health Department for almost 3 years. He spent weeks studying maps and data for the county's Naloxone Street Outreach Program, looking for overdose hotspots.
So there's 2 doses and 2 single-use doses, test strips, and information as well.
One of them, Lake Avenue in Elyria. Schwartzman is one of 50 volunteers going door to door giving away these Naloxone kits. Naloxone is a drug that can be used to reverse an opioid overdose. Just last year, they gave out more than 600.
We got fresh test strips in here as well.
Samantha Mellick, who also works at the health department, tells me every dock is an opportunity.
At first, some of them have asked, do I need this? And we always say yes.
In 2023, there were more than 118 overdose deaths in Lorain County. In 2024, that number went down with only 62 lives lost. One of the reasons the health department says that number dropped, naloxone. Get this, more than 290 lives were saved because someone nearby gave them the life-saving drug before EMS got there.
It's so important to be going directly out into the community rather than waiting for the community to come to us. But when you also add that layer that substance use has, we know that it creates such stigma in the community.
With every knock and conversation, they're putting those stigmas to bed and making our community safer.
Yeah, no problem. Take care.
Again, the health department will be in the city of Lorain tomorrow going door to door to hand out those kits. If you're like, I need one of those or I need to restock, but I did not see someone come to my door, you can always go to the city of Lorain's website and be able to request one of those kits to be sent to your home for free. Live here in Elyria, I'm Aria Janelle, 19 News.